Okay, everyone, we are on page 23, and tonight we're doing numbers 7 through 12. The children slept under the tree in the shade. I do not see any twos that I need to check, but I see some where things are, so where the children slept. They were under the tree, and they were in the shade. First word, prep. Last word, noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget to draw your arrow. Number 8, inside the box, the child found a toy to use. I see a to, check it. To use. Use is a verb, something that you do. Where did the child find the toy? Inside the box. First word's preposition, last word's a noun, adjective. Number 9, the man in the car drove by the girl. I don't see anything to check. Where is the man? He is in the car. And where did he drive? He drove by the girl. First word, prep. Last word, noun. In the middle, it's an adjective. One more. Grace went from the house to the barn to play. I see 2 twos. Check them. To the. The is an adjective. It is not a verb. Barn is a noun. So here's a prep phrase. To play. Play, in this sense, is something that you do. So it's a verb. And then from is a preposition. So from the house. Okay? All right. So today is Tuesday. So we have to now think about, write this down, terrific Tuesday. With a squiggle, a double squiggle. And I want you to think about something about your Tuesday that was terrific, because everyone had something terrific in their day. All right, 11 and 12 for homework on your own. And maybe think about doing the next night of homework if you're feeling motivated right now and you want to get things done. Have a great night.